another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make popsicle stick puppets, just like this one. And now the supplies that you're going to need are popsicle sticks, of course, because it's a popsicle stick puppet. Paper to draw your puppet on. Scissors to cut out your puppet. Tape to tape your puppet onto the stick. And markers, pens, or crayons, whatever you have around you. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to take some paper and grab the markers that I want. I'm going to just draw a quick little smiley face, a red mouth for his lips, and now I'm going to draw his eyes, just like this, cover it in black. And then I'm gonna draw the outline of his face. That way I know where to cut it. Just like this. My pen isn't working, but I'm just making like an outline of where I'm gonna cut it. So it can just be like a pencil that doesn't have any lead in it. You just need to make it so that you know where you're gonna cut it. So look, this is where I'm cutting it. You can see the little lines. Now, I'm just going to cut it out. And I have just a little tiny face. See this little face? Now, I'm going to take a popsicle stick. So now, set those to the side for now. Then I'm going to take some tape and just roll it up in a ball. And then stick it on the top. And then I'm going to put his little face on. And now there you go, that's your popsicle stick puppets. And thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe.